If you want to change the font style in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to customize the fonts in Edge so your browser looks and feels the way you want. This is a simple setting change, but it can make browsing much easier and more comfortable, especially if you prefer a cleaner, more readable font style. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the ellipsis icon, which is the three dots menu. This menu gives you access to all of Edge's main settings and tools. After you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. Now you'll be taken into the Microsoft Edge settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Find and click Appearance. This is where Edge keeps its display and visual customization options, including themes, layout, and font settings. Once you're in the Appearance section, scroll down until you reach the Fonts area. Here, you'll be able to customize the fonts used in the browser. Depending on your version of Edge, you may see options for standard fonts, serif fonts, sans serif fonts, and fixed width fonts. You may also see a font size slider or additional font customization options. To change the font style, click the available font drop-down menus and choose the style you prefer. As you adjust the settings, Edge will update the browser display to match your selected font preferences. Take your time and choose a font that looks good to you and is easy to read. If you use your browser for long periods, picking the right font can make a big difference in comfort and readability. You can also explore the other appearance settings while you're here if you want to personalize Edge even more. But for changing the font style, the key steps are opening Edge, going to Settings, selecting Appearance, and then adjusting the font section. And that's it. You now know how to change the font style in Edge browser in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.